Please be advised that the images and information you are about to encounter could be disturbing to some audiences. Fort Worth police officers were on the lookout for a shooting suspect from the day before. When his vehicle was spotted, an officer moved in to make the stop. But before backup could arrive, the suspect gets out and opens fire. On Saturday evening, May 18th, the day before the officer-involved shooting, surveillance video captures a man pulling into a business lot along Miller Avenue in Fort Worth. He steps out of the vehicle and walks toward an alleyway behind the building. A handgun is visible on his side. He approaches someone out of frame, and after a brief interaction, he makes a surprising move. He draws the weapon and shoots the individual. He then casually returns to his car and drives off. Shortly thereafter, the shooting victim emerges with a gunshot wound to the shoulder. Police arrived at the scene and quickly gathered surveillance, witness details, and license plate information tied to the suspect's vehicle. The next day, Sunday, May 19th, patrol units receive an alert. The suspect vehicle has been spotted. A Fort Worth officer locates the car and initiates a traffic stop in an attempt to pull him over until backup arrives.
I'll be traffic that vehicle, Burton, Edgewood. That looks like we're going to be going south on Edgewood from Burton. Hey, MCN! Hey!
Your incident has been updated.
Southbound on Edgewood, southbound on Edgewood. I may be hit. Stand by. We'll be going westbound on Berry, south on Hatcher. South on Hatcher. South on Hatcher still. Stand by. We are coming up to South Edgewood from Wyman. Westbound on Eastland. Westbound Eastland. The subject is armed. Subject is armed. Shots were fired. I need units to get to me. My unit has been hit. Clear the air.
Gunfire damaged the patrol vehicle, rendering it inoperable and preventing the officer from continuing the pursuit.
I am out of it. My unit has died. He is in lane number 1, southbound on Miller. Lane 1, southbound Miller.
Other officers arrived to assist and to continue to look for the suspect. The injured officer was not shot. He suffered deep cuts from broken glass flying at him during the exchange of gunfire. He was taken to a hospital with non-life-threatening wounds. Later that night, officers locate the suspect's vehicle a few miles away, parked at a residence in Arlington. A perimeter is established. As police move in, the suspect is seen running toward a shed behind the home. He's found sitting on the ground, partially unclothed and injured.
See your hands! Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
All right, take your time, take your time.
Lay down on your stomach! Lay down on your stomach! Lay down on your stomach!
Lay down flat. I'm ready, Bobby. You ready? I'm ready.
He's taken into custody without further resistance. It was discovered that he had sustained a gunshot wound to his lower back, likely from the earlier exchange with the officer. He is being charged with aggravated assault against a public servant, along with his aggravated assault charge from the day prior.
Put that other hand in. His fingers come out.
This case underscores the sudden dangers officers may face and how violence can unfold without warning across multiple days or cities. Both law enforcement and the public live with the weight of that unpredictability.
Hey, let's see here. Hey.
For more real-world police transparency, subscribe and stay informed.
I may be hit. Stand by.